Hi, today I've heard of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store app. And in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and to OK in the left down corner. After that we'll see here the information about our device battery health. So we can see that my battery is in a good condition. So also we can find here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.